How do I request a move through the customer self-service portal if I am not a current customer? From the Water Systems homepage, click on the Move-in Request tab. Then click on the Submit Move-in Request button. Here, you can complete the form. Be sure to check the terms and conditions and then the CAPTCHA checkboxes. Complete the form with applicable information. If your mailing address is not the same as the service address, toggle this button and fill in the mailing address. Otherwise, toggle the button again and click Next. To ensure a timely processing of your request, please attach proof of ownership or lease for the property in the document section of the application. Commercial customers will also need to upload a W-9. Type in notes if you want us to know about this document you are uploading. Click the Select File button and then browse to the location of the file you want to upload. Once you have selected your file, click the Open button to upload your file. Then click on the Next button. Here, you can select your communication preferences. Once preferences are selected, click on the Request Move button. You have now successfully submitted your request. It can take 5 to 7 business days for the move-in requests to be processed. Thank you for watching.